Hello and welcome to my unique lecture series. My name is Thejendra Sreenivas. Please give me a second to adjust the camera so that you can see me. Good, you can see me now. I just expand myself. Now I'll make the recorder disappear and we can begin. Hello and welcome again. My name is Thejendra Sreenivas. Do you ever wonder where is the center of the universe? Or who is hiding there? Are there any aliens? How far is the center of the universe from Earth? Is there a center at all? You may say, yes, definitely, it is a great mystery. We would all like to know what is at the center of the universe, or where is the center, who is there, what is the photograph of that place, and so on. Now, what if I say that our Earth is at the center of the universe? Will you believe me? Most probably no. You may laugh at me and say, go away, even a child will not believe you. How can the Earth be at the center of the universe? But please wait, don't leave. Let me show you how. Geocentrism. The question of what is at the center of the universe has puzzled scientists and non-scientists from centuries. In the past, people believed our Earth was at the center of the universe and everything, including our Sun, revolved around it. This concept was known as geocentrism, and dictionaries define it as a belief or theory that the Earth is at the center of the universe. Here is the dictionary definition of geocentrism. Geocentric model: any theory of the structure of the solar system or the universe in which Earth is assumed to be at the center of it all. But this geocentric concept was disproved when it was scientifically discovered that the Earth and other planets revolve around the Sun. And it was also argued that it is not possible for our Earth to be at the center of the universe because it is just one tiny object located somewhere in the mighty Milky Way galaxy. Besides, the universe consists of millions of galaxies with billions of planets and stars each. For example, if you look at the pictures of our universe in the next slides, you will say that it is impossible to precisely locate where the Earth is. This is our night sky, containing millions and millions of stars and other space debris. And this is our Milky Way, where our planet Earth resides along with our solar system. And this is the rest of the mighty universe. We do not know how many galaxies exist in this infinite space. Now you may argue how our Earth can be at the center of such a shapeless universe. So case closed. But I still say that our Earth is definitely at the center of the universe. To understand my argument, briefly forget what is revolving around what. That is, don't bother if the Earth is revolving around the Sun or if the Sun is revolving around something else and so on. Let anything revolve around anything. Now let us first look at the picture below to understand the meaning of the word center. What is a center? If you look at the figure, geometrically the green dot is called the center because the radius is radiating equally on all sides around the dot. Next, assume Earth is that green dot. Next, forget about the existence of all other planets, stars, suns, etc. around it. Let them all become invisible. What I am saying is, just imagine that the Earth is all alone in the universe for a minute. So, with this geometrical information on hand, let us come back to the circle and start extending its radius indefinitely into infinity. Now, when the radius starts expanding in all directions into infinity, does this not mean that our Earth is standing at the center of the universe? Now, as we all know, The universe has no end, as it extends to infinity in all directions, and no scientist has yet proved that the universe has an end geometrically. So this proves that our Earth is really at the center of the infinite universe. Do you agree with me? Most probably you will say yes, but you will also say, how can this be right? Well, I'll tell you one more secret. It is not just the Earth that is at the center of the universe. Every cosmic object, like the Sun, planets, stars, moons, asteroids, etc., are also at the center of the universe. Isn't this surprising? Now you may ask, now how is this also possible? How can Earth be at the center of the universe and also other planets and stars be at the center of the universe? The answer is simple. Apply the same method to the other planets. Apply the same circle analogy to all these objects and the result will be the same. Hence, all cosmic objects, including us, are at the center of the universe. Isn't our universe amazing? Now I will end this lecture with a quote from Blaise Pascal, who said, "Nature is an infinite sphere of which the center is everywhere and the circumference nowhere." A little bit about me. My name is Thejendra and I'm an author and life skills coach. Earlier, I was a technology manager in the IT industry for more than 25 years. I have also written more than 20 books on various subjects. All my books are available worldwide on Amazon, Apple, Barnes& Noble, etc. in paperback and ebook formats. I also publish an e-magazine called Self Improvement International that can be read on all smartphones, tablets and computers. I also have a small homemade website called Thejendra.com where I list all my books and magazines. Please have a look at it when you can. Now some thanks. All images and videos used in this course are from sites like Pexels, Unsplash, OpenClipArt, etc. Full credits and thanks to the respective artists. Thanks for listening. I hope you liked the video. Thanks again.